Hello, welcome back. Today we'll be working from the OpenStax Prealgebra textbook. OpenStax is a free textbook system available at openstax.com. Still in chapter 1, and today we are going to look at problem 138. It says the maximum weight capacity of an elevator is 1,150 pounds. 6 men are in the elevator. Their weights are 210, 145, 183, 230, 159, and 164 pounds. Is the total weight below the elevator's maximum capacity? So what we need to do is we need to add up each of those 6 weights and then compare it to maximum capacity. So to do that, you could add them up all together, but I am going to do it individually. So in our ones column, we have 0 plus 5 gives us 5, 1 plus 4 gives us 5, and 2 plus 1 gives us 3. That takes care of the first two. For the next person, we have 183. 5 plus 3 gives us 8. 5 plus 8 gives us 13. We carry the 1. 1 plus 3 plus 1 gives us 5. Now we can add the next person at 230 pounds. 8 plus 0 gives us 8. 3 plus 3 gives us 6. 5 plus 2 gives us 7. Add the next person at 159 pounds. 8 plus 9 gives us 17. We carry the 1. 1 plus 6 plus 5 gives us 12. Carry the 1. 7 plus 1 plus 1 gives us 9. And adding the last person at 164 pounds. 7 plus 4 gives us 11. Carry the 1. 1 plus 2 plus 6 gives us 9. 9 plus 1 gives us 10. So we have a total of 1,091 pounds when we add up all 6 men. Now we just need to compare that to the 1,150 pounds that's the elevator. And we have that they are less than. So they are below the maximum capacity and they are safe. If you are finding my videos helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And then also you can visit my website, calculuscatlady.com, where you can find more resources. Mainly, you can find a download for some of the things that we just worked on. It is completely free. You do not have to enter an email address in order to see it. I wouldn't have the time to maintain a mailing list if I wanted to, but there is a donate section if you feel so inclined. I would sincerely be grateful for anything that you felt like contributing.